All right, guys, welcome back to today's video. I'm your boy Crypto Mechanic, and on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to mint your own bed NFT on the seed airdrop bot. So right now, if you watch out right now, there are a lot of changes right here. Like this NFT marketplace hasn't been here before, but it has now been integrated into the app. And also, you need to pay close attention. Let's now dive straight into the business of the day. Please, if you enjoy this type of content, please do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video to motivate me to make more of content like this. All right, now let's go into today's business. So before you can be able to mint your own bed NFT on this seed airdrop, the first thing I actually need to do is to make sure that you have bed. So right now, how do you get the bed? Let me teach you first of all how you get the bed before I will then go ahead to teach you how you can be able to mint this bed NFT on this video. So the first thing you actually need to do for you to start the process of earning yourself some bed is to simply come over here to the end section. Once you click on the end section, then you go ahead and click over here, guys, on the daily login. Okay, so once you click on the daily login, you click on start. And as you can see, there have been a lot of tasks that I haven't completed yet. I will just make out my time to complete it. So over here, guys, every time you log into this app, you claim this seed. This seed actually comes together with tickets. Okay, so you get tickets each time you come over here and claim. I've already claimed for today. Okay, so right now let's go back. So once you have gotten the ticket, you go back to the home button, then you go ahead and click on this game button right here. So once you click on the game button, then you can see there are a lot of games right here, and this one just went live right now. A few hours ago it has not been live. Okay, so right now what I need you to do, let's try out this spin egg. Okay, because we are looking for egg, because the egg that you are going to be getting is what you are going to be hatching to get the bed, which you can then mint. Okay, so right now let me show you guys how this works right now. So over here right now, I still have 4 tickets. Now pay close attention. Let me teach you how this works. So this ticket is what you can actually use to get this piece right here. So you need at least 5 pieces before you can then fuse it. When you fuse it, then you get egg. Okay, so over here right now, you can see that I have 10 pieces of this egg collection right here. So before you can then fuse it to get this rare egg, you need to at least collect 5 of them before you can then fuse it. So we have the common and the rare, all of this, but this one is the most. I think it is the legendary, I think. So but you need to collect at least 5 of it before you can then fuse it and then get any of this egg right here, depending on the one that you are fusing. Okay, so right now I have 4 tickets. For example, if I spin it right now, you can see how it will load up real quick. Then it will give me any common egg piece, which is just, I just got another common one. So you will be lucky enough to get any of these depending on how many times you spin this. Okay, so right now let me now fuse this up right now. So on this one right now, I will select this one. Then it is going to cost me seed. Okay, so right now I need 40 seed before I can then fuse this up to get this egg. All right, so right now I will click on fuse right now. You can see this fuse will generate a common egg. Continue here. I will continue and I will pay 40 seed. You can see right now 5 of this has been used, remaining 6. Okay, right now I have 2 eggs. Okay, so if I try to fuse it again, they are still going to charge me for the fusion, but I can do this fusion for only 2 times a day. You can do maximum of 2 times a day. If I click on fusion right now, you can see that this will cost me 43 egg. 43 seed before I can then fuse this. All right, so right, let me show you guys the next step after getting an egg. Right now I've shown you how to get egg. Let me show you what you need to do after you have got the egg. So when you come over here to your collection, then you can see these are my collection. These are the beds that I have so far. Then when you come over here to eggs, you can see that I have this common egg right here. So when I click on it, then you can see we have the sell, hatch, and transfer. So if you want to be selling your own egg, if you have egg that you can sell, then you can let me know on the comment section. I'm ready to buy it from you at a very good rate, but that's not the purpose of this video anyway. So what I need to do right now is simply hatch this egg. So for me to hatch it, then I have to click on hatch. You can see right now this egg is going to be hatched and I'll be getting a bed right now, pigeon bed. Okay, so right now I will go and check my inventory. You can see right now that the bed has been added up. Right now let's talk about minting the bed NFT. So before you can be able to mint the bed NFT, it is very simple. You need to make sure that you have your OKX wallet set up, okay, and you have connected it. If you do not have ton, this is going to be requiring a certain amount of ton. You can see right here I have only $2 worth of ton. Okay, right now let me take you back to this bot right now. Let's talk about how you can be able to mint it. So remember, the first thing you need to do before you talk about minting is to simply go ahead to this click on this end section, come over here to mint NFT, you can see that there are a list of tasks that you can do right here, but I am yet to complete this one and this one as well. This one was just added right now. Okay, let's now go ahead and mint. Okay, when you click over here right now on start, it's going to take you back to where your beds are. From there, you are going to be minting it through OKX before you can be able to proceed. Okay, so over here, guys, I want to be minting this one right here. This is a, I think, super rare bed, I think. So right now you can see it is loading up right now. You can see right now this is the NFT utility. You can see extra seed token for bed NFT holder. So if you are holding this NFT, you are going to be getting a lot of benefits in the future. And also I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually use your bed to hunt for seed. You understand? But I'm going to be doing it right here on this video. Okay, so right now, before you can, there are a lot of things right here, but let me not waste time on reading it. Let me go ahead and click on mint NFT. So this is going to be loading up and it will be asking me the OKX that I want to be using. It is either I use the mini app or the OKX app. I want to be using the OKX app because it is the one that I've connected already. So right now it's going to be asking you for a connection. Then you go ahead and approve the connection. Then you sign this message right now automatically using your biometric or your password. So you can see right now I have now connected my wallet. So right now I have to click on mint NFT. So this is going to be opening up right now. Let me show you how you can actually be able to mint this NFT. So all this is automated. If it is taking time, just allow it to load up. Do not hurry. Okay, so right now you can see I'm actually going to be minting this right now, and I'm going to be paying a network fee of about $0.003. Okay, so right now I will click on confirm, then I will approve it. Right now it will load up immediately. Then let's check out the next message which we are going to be receiving. So allow this to load up. I'm going to be fast forwarding the video right now so that I don't get to waste your time. And as you can see right now, it is done. Okay, you can see I've minted this NFT and this NFT is verified. Okay, so right now you have I think less than 3 days to do this before it is over. So right now this is simply how you mint your NFT on Seed. All right, so you can see when I click on it right now, you can see that it is already minted. So after loading up, it will tell you that you have already minted this one, so you can mint it again. Okay, so for example, now let me go ahead and mint this one as well, just for the sake of this tutorial to be very clear. Okay, so I'll click on mint. Then you simply have to wait for this to load up. Then you have to approve this transaction, and you can see right now I'm going to be approving it right now. Remember, you need Ton before you can be able to do this. So if your wallet that you connected doesn't have Ton, you are going to find it very difficult or probably impossible to do it. Okay, so right now you can see the NFT is being minted right now. Watch out, let me teach you how you can be able to use your bed to hunt for seed on this mini app called Seed. And right now you can see that I have minted this one as well. So you can see how simple it is. Right now I have teach you how you can be able to get bed and also how to mint your bed NFT. So right now this bed right here, if you got this little one, which is the sparrow, you cannot mint it. Okay, you can't mint it. So but if you got any other one, I think you can go ahead and mint it. So right now let's go back. When I click over here, guys, on NFT, you are going to see that my NFT is supposed to be showing up right here. Let me see what I'm gonna have over here. And right now you can see that my NFT is showing up right here, as simple as this. Okay, right now let's go back. Let me show you guys some stuff right here. So over here right now you can see that when I click right here on this button right here, this bed, once you click on this bed, let me teach you how you can use your bed to hunt for NFT. So over here, guys, your bed is actually going to be hunting for seed for you, but before that you are supposed to feed your bed. So right now, how do you feed your bed? To feed your bed, I would simply advise that you use the common worm to feed your bed. Do not use the legendary, the rare, or the super rare. You understand? Just use the common worm to feed your bed before you can then before it can then go and hunt for seed for you. So over here, guys, when I click right here, you can see that the hunting time is not over yet. So I've already sent it. All you have to do is simply come over here, feed your bed, and it will be going to for hunts for you. It is so simple like that. Okay, so let's now talk about this NFT marketplace. So over here, guys, let me open it up real quick. Let me show you guys some stuff right here before I will then conclude the video. So over here, guys, you can see that all these NFTs are verified and it has prices of ton attached to it. So if your NFT happens to sell off, you are going to be getting ton in return. All you need to do is simply come over here and list your NFT. It is so simple. Remember, you need to connect your wallet. Let me connect my wallet right now and see how this actually goes. So I'll be using OKX wallet. Okay, so let me allow the connection to go through, then I will proceed with the next step. All right. And right here, right now, it just opened up on my OKX app, and you can see my NFTs are here. I can decide to sell it or not. Okay, so you can see this is the floor price right now, and of course, this is just awesome, guys. So let's now go back and talk about some other stuff right here. Okay, so right now, what you need to do from here is simply come over here to the end section right now. Then you have to come to the mint NFT, and right here you need to click on start. It will load up right now, and it is supposed to go through because I have minted my NFT. You can see mission completed right now. So over here, you need to join the OKX giveaway channel. You have to click on start and join it. I've already joined it, so right now I have to go back and of course click it again. You can see mission completed. I have completed all the 4 missions right now. So this is how simple it is. Remember, do not forget to use the link on this video description to get started right now on seed airdrop. So remember, this last snapshot is about to be taken, so you need to take all the necessary actions right now before you miss out on this airdrop. Okay, so thank you. I believe you got a value out of this video. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you. I will talk to you guys very soon.